There will be a better society. Can there be a better society?
There will be a better you.
Huh? Yeah,
There will be a better you.
This is what the negative thoughts do to you. They don't keep you in your own place. You are unhappy wherever you are because basically your thoughts are unhappy thoughts. You are not ready to understand the life as is, but you are looking as a futuristic, that this is how it should be. That is your imagination is. Your perceptions are very different. Everything you have like this is how it should be. This is wrong. What she is doing is wrong. What he is doing is wrong. Everything you see as wrong because you know the right. Now what you know the right is just another thought. It's nothing else. Now in your own thought you become so uncomfortable that you have to leave that uncomfort and go away. Now you move to another place, you have a reason that everybody was bad and that's why you came to this place, and this place also you will be creating the same hell, because hell is what you are creating for yourself. Now what this person should do? How he can change or she can change herself? You can be in the business, you can be in the company, you can be in the as a housewife, you can be as a member, wherever you are.
Responsibility with everybody.
But how does she know that what she is thinking is something which is not possible?
Look at the situations impersonally.
Yes.
That she's not taking any sense. She's not even thinking I am right or the other person is wrong. Impersonally, when she sees and analyzes the whole situation, she might find the right way and she might then find out where her actions are going wrong. It may be possible at times the other person's action may also be wrong.
Right.
But then with that impersonal thinking, she'll come at the right decision and see how she can correctly handle that situation.
Impersonal thinking. Because normally when we think, we always personalize our thoughts. And that thought is me and mine. Very egoistic thoughts. So once you leave that, once you drop that thought, you start seeing yourself as a third person. And you see yourself instead what she is thinking, what she must be thinking, and you replace the thought with a very positive thought.
Basically, then you also start looking at the other person's
perspective, point of view. And you start respecting their point of view, and then the changes can come. But till you are involved in the thought, it's not possible. Because then it's only me and mine. And everybody else is cross. You have to think why I am feeling everybody is bad. Somewhere you have to feel कि मुझे सब लोग क्यों खराब नजरिए से देखते हैं, मुझसे क्यों खराब, क्यों मैं अकेला पड़ गया. So you start thinking differently. So you have to think from the other point's view. कि क्या है, कहीं मुझ में तो नहीं है. Instead of holding that same thoughts and getting depressed. Because what happens when you have depressed thoughts? What will happen to you? You will hold on to more negativity. आप ज़्यादा नेगेटिविटी को होल्ड करेंगे. आप कहीं दारू पीना चालू कर सकते हैं. आप गलत कंपनी में जाएंगे. बिकॉज आपके जैसी कंपनी गलत कंपनी हो गई, क्योंकि आप उसी विचारों में और ज़्यादा आगे बढ़ेंगे. तो इससे आप अलग से सोचेंगे. Now at that time, if you can see yourself as that I am thinking very negative, you will change your company to positive people. You try to spend time with more positive people who think positive. You go for satsangs, or you go somewhere where your thought process is changed. You feel more happier, you feel more friendly, you feel more needed, you feel more loved. You go to that places and then you start living yourself. Then once you know that this is how other people are living and I wasn't living that way, then automatically the changes will start getting into you.
अगर हम बिजनेस में बहुत टॉप पोजीशन पे रहते हैं और बाद में डाउनफॉल हो जाता है, तो डज इट मीन दैट पर्सन इज अ नेगेटिव थिंकर?
It's okay. A situation came where you lost a game, but if you have reached a position on the top, one thing is sure that you are a good player. And this time you lost a game. So what? You play another game.
नहीं, कहीं ऐसा लगता है ना कि ये फेल हुआ तो उसका मतलब he was thinking negatively, that's why it happened.
No, not necessary, na? Because in situation, it's not necessary that negative situation always pulls you down. But there was a situation where कुछ calamity आ गई.
Things were beyond your
हाँ, your reach. And many times हम लोग कितनी बार इतनी लालच कर लेते हैं कि हम लोग इतना फैला देते हैं कि हम उसको हैंडल नहीं कर पाते. तो उसमें भी कितनी बार ऐसा होता है कि आप गिर सकते हो. तो कुछ भी रीजन हो सकता है. That doesn't mean you are a negative thinker. But you know that इस बार I was not.
नहीं, अभी अपने पॉजिटिव थिंकिंग के बारे में अपन बात चल रही है, तो कि
downfall you are not stuck to that downfall. अभी तक खलास सब बर्बाद हो गया.
हाँ.
अभी तो मैं कुछ नहीं कर सकूंगा. That becomes negative thinking.
You are,
But you are positive. You can still be positive. I'll fight back. I'll again reach that same position.
See, a positive thinker is always a player. He plays a game. So he is a winner. It doesn't matter he grows or whatever, but he won't give up. Player वो होता है जो give up नहीं करता. He keeps on doing. It can be in your family also. Many times your child is not feeling very good, and you have to look after the child. So you are so positive about as a mother, and normally when there is a mother is always a positive thinker. When the child, it comes to a child, she is always a positive thinker. Very rarely you will see mother as a negative thinker. As a wife, she can be a very negative thinker. But a mother, she is always a positive thinker. See, it's a lovely, it's a grace. It's a God's grace. So she will see to it that the child is out, or the husband, she'll help the husband, or whatever situation. Because that is how the nature has made her very strong. So, that you become a player in life. So you know that doesn't matter. आज नहीं, कल बना लूँगा. So that is what.
Player is happy in playing only.
Yeah.
Whether he wins or not.
It doesn't matter. And you will make it. But if you think that, oh, I'm gone, now I cannot do anything, मैं बर्बाद हो गया, मैं कुछ नहीं होगा मेरा, मैं सत्यानाश हो गया, तो आपका वही होगा जो आप सोच रहे हैं.
If you give up, then you are negative.
हाँ, then everything gives you. If you give up, everything gets back to you. Because whatever you are giving up, the nature is giving to you. You'll understand the power of thought also. Such a beautiful thing, like what you said. It always averages everything. Whatever you do, it averages. If you get excited, once you get excited and you do something in excitement, you may get at that time, but the excitement is very temporary. After the excitement is gone, you are again back to normal. So excitement is again somewhere a very negative kind of thinking also, because you have to hold on that excitement forever. That is a process of doing, continuous process. Then that excitement should be on. But once you drop the excitement, everything is gone. So nature has a beautiful way of balancing everything. So whatever you do, you always remember that after this, there is this. Don't give up. If there is a loss, there is plus coming. If there is minus, if there is plus, there is minus may come. It all depends on how you think, how you process your life. Because processing of your life is completely based on the way you think. And never get stuck to your thinking, because your thoughts are very limited, because you only know what you know. So always keep yourself open to learning. Nothing is final. So when you live as a student forever, so you are always open to learning. When you are open to learning, you get new ideas, new concepts, and you are ready to experiment and play. But once you are stuck, no, this is how it is. We think in black and white. Don't think in black and white, because if you think in black and white, it's never or always. It's always like this, or it's never like this. It's not like that. Once you start thinking in the grays also, so you see the options, you see more options coming, and you see the gray shades also. You see, okay, if this hasn't done this way, let me check. do research, meet people, read books, contact more, get the knowledge about that thing, and then again put across your knowledge, execute the knowledge, and you'll see the success back to you. But don't give up, because yes or no is not always the answer. There is always
As somebody I've read somewhere, in any situation, you should think this too shall pass. Whether
Yeah.
it's a good or bad situation. Then thinking that this too shall pass, is it positive or negative?
it's positive.
कि जो हो रहा है अच्छे के लिए हो रहा है ऐसा.
ये भी जाएगा, because it has to. Because if you don't see that way, you are stuck to the moment, stuck to the past moment. Because every moment has to pass by. Because if you are seeing success, you will see more success. It's not necessary that if it's this too shall pass by means you're going to see
So
negative.
in the good times, if I'm attached to those good times, that it becomes a negative thinking.
If you're stuck to the see what happens, we Indians now, even the Westerners, you go to the crystal gazers, fortune tellers and all. Now what does he do? Does he give you a positive thinking? वो ज्योतिष वो क्या पॉजिटिव थॉट्स देते हैं?
Depends on what kind of Jyotish.
Whatever kind of ज्योतिष it is.
Just hope for the future.
He always gives you hope, na?
Positive.
Many times he doesn't give you anything also.
Right.
Because your basically whatever crystal gazing is based on your prarabdha and sanchita. That's my phone. So happy. So it doesn't tell you, because on your based on prarabdha. Now what happens in the past, you will start thinking कि मेरे नसीब में ये है. So when your naseeb is only kharab, then you are not going to do anything in the future. So who should you trust more? Your kundli, or you should trust yourself more? Because right now who is alive? Is kundli alive or you are alive? You have a full life. You have a full game to play. Just play your game, that's all. Wonderfully. You have a target. You may not reach the target, but that playing the game is very important. If you reach the target, wonderful. Think of another target, start moving again, like what he shared in the beginning, that enjoy what you have and keep on moving also. Because that is the way one should be living. He should be very forceful. He should believe in himself. Now belief is something which the positive thinking works on faith. You are so confident and you know that yes, I'll do it. Whatever happens, I'll do it. नहीं कैसे हो सकता है? You create your bhagya. The past has been already created and you created it. Again you want to create the same thing. Depend on the Jyotishi. Why? That is going to happen. If it is going to happen, because you created some karmas and that result is going to come. But on that base you are going to make your future, or you are going to create more beautiful future, like doing whatever you are doing it right now. Think positive, that yes, I can do it. And there is nobody who cannot do it. And who is that nobody? Who is that nobody? Yourself. You are nobody. And if nobody can do, then everybody can do. Because that nobody is God. There are two kind of people. A tough-minded people and a tender-minded people. The tough-minded people are positive thinkers. They know that they will make it. They create their future. They dwell on the things. They are student, they are ready to learn, they are open to learning, and they know that it's going to happen and I'll make it happen. And there are tender-minded who will give up. Who will give up and I cannot do it. It's not my cup of tea. Maybe these people can do it because they are tough people or they are intelligent people. Because you don't see yourself above anybody. You see yourself below everybody. That is what this religion has done to us. The Dharam Gurus have done to us, because they are above you and other people are below you. Only I can get you the God. You just do this system. You follow this. This gives you inferiority complex. These are tender-minded people. That Guru is a tough-minded guy. Are you getting this? And this is what we do to ourselves. Because now every thought is, we have a choice, we have option. If there is a thought, there is a positive thought also, there is a negative thought also. Should I do it or shouldn't I do it? Once I decide that I have option, I said yes, I'll do it. Now how do I do it? I'll study. I'll ask for help, I'll meet friends, I'll ask them how they did, I'll maybe take a reference, or I'll Google it, or I'll go and consult somebody and how to get the thing done. Research. Do you know how to build a house? You know how to build a house? We all have a house. How do we have a house? We never knew how to build a house, but still we have a house. Because there was somebody who thought, yes, I'll make a house. You bought it. He also didn't know how to. He's a builder. He doesn't know how to make a house. So he had specialized people, the architect, the interior person, the kadiya, the wireman, the pipeman, and everything. And he made one unit and he sold it to you. So that doesn't mean a builder is a plumber. He is everything, because he didn't know something, so he hired that person. So is that person whom he hired was much superior than him? Not necessarily. Because he's expert in one thing, and at a time you need an expert, and you took the advice and you grew. He's a part of you. So with inclusion, when you include people, you learn, you can grow. And that is what spiritualism is. You include people. You cannot exclude anything out of it. Everything is part. Now life always puts you into a situation, always, where you feel low, you feel depressed, or you feel like what you said, he went on the top and came down. So is it depression? Remember one thing, because I just learned that thing, I picked up from one of the ads in the TV. The bigger the villain, the hero is much bigger. विलन जितना बड़ा होगा, स्ट्रॉन्ग होगा, हीरो उससे ज्यादा स्ट्रॉन्ग और बड़ा होगा. Which is that?
It was an ad of some
serial, TV serial. Such a beautiful thing. It gives you so much confidence. How does it matter कितना भी बड़ा विलन हम दो? Any situation, let it come. You are a superhero. You can fight it out. So become a bigger hero in life. Instead of, nay, it's not me, I cannot fight. Because of this attitude of ours, today we are suffering. Today there is somebody, if you are not ready to fight your own thoughts, there is somebody else's thought which is ruling you, which is empowering you, and which is controlling you. You got this? If you are weaker in your thoughts, then suppose like you want something and you say, oh, I can't do it, let Satish do it, and you give it to me. Now Satish has a complete control on you. Now what I'll do? Where I want the things, I will use you, because I know you are weak. But once you are stronger, I don't need you, and you do not need me. You may need me as a consultant to understand one thing, and you are independent. Got this point? So make yourself very strong on the top, because you are so much independent and you cannot lose your freedom. And your freedom is the way you think.
हमें किसी को गुरु नहीं बनाना, हमें शिष्य ही रहना है.
शिष्य ही रहना है, हमेशा सबको शिष्य ही रहना है. और शिष्य रहेंगे ना, उसमें फायदा है.
Always be the learner.
Always become a learner. See, today we are sharing, like he shared a beautiful story. There are some insights what he shared and everything. It's me also learning from this side. It's not that I know everything. And if I know everything, then I'm useless. Then, हाँ?
If I know everything, I'll be egoistic.
हाँ, egoistic हो जाएंगे भाई, तो egoistic हो जाएंगे और stick हो जाएंगे वहीं पे.
हाँ. You want me
Full
to
stop
grow.
है.
फुल स्टॉप लग
जाएगा.
जाएगा. फुल
Full
स्टॉप
stop
लग
लग
जाएगा.
जाएगा.
क्योंकि आई कैन नॉट बिकम एनीबडी विदाउट नोबडी. So I need everybody as nobody for me to live as nobody. And we all live as nobody, and the world can be a beautiful place. There is no ego. It's such a beautiful thing. कोई अहम भाव नहीं, कुछ नहीं, सब प्रेम ही कर रहे हैं बस. मे भी एक छोटी सी दुनिया स्टार्ट हो सकती है, बढ़ेगी. सी एवरी सक्सेसफुल पर्सन इज ऑलवेज अ लर्नर. ही वोंट होल्ड बिकॉज एंड another thing, a successful person, another thing is he's quiet, he's listener. A student is always a listener. A good student is a listener. He listens, then he sits and he compares things, he keeps everything in front of him, he sees as is everything, and then he selects. And once you select, you stay responsible for your selection. Then you are not supposed to blame anybody for that. You may be successful, you may not be successful as material, but you will be successful if you are responsible. The only way to go spiritually is by being responsible. A negative thinking mind, it drains your energy. It's like a quicksand. Quicksand के जैसा होता है. It drains your energy because you are always seeing dullness. You are always seeing no friendliness. You are always seeing betrayal. You are always seeing jealousy. Everything you are not happy with. So it drains your energy, and at the end of the day, you feel ki, gee, what life? You know, that kind of feeling is always there. What you will do if there is a quicksand? Suppose there is a quicksand in this area. Huh? What you will do? It will suck everything. What you can do? You will call an expert, of the sand expert, how to stop this sucking sand. He will put some chemical into it. So basically there comes somebody who understands life. He will tell you this is how you do. Now after putting the chemical, you will harden the sand. The same sand which was a quicksand now become a sandstone. On the same sandstone, you can create a beautiful castle. Now it's not sucking. Use your negativity to convert into positivity. Use it as a teacher. Because if there is something which is negative happening within you, there is some indication, there is something which wants to tell you कि here there is some change needed. Instead of dwelling on this, change. Experiment with your life. Try beautiful things, and you will find all is well. वो वाली बात होनी चाहिए कि all is well. Don't worry, हम करेंगे. It's my baby. I'll grow it. I'll make it bigger. And
that doesn't mean everything happens for the best. जो भी हो रहा है अच्छे के लिए हो रहा है.
अच्छे के लिए ही हो रहा है.
तो अभी मैं मैं पर्सनली सुनो, मैं टॉप पे मैं नीचे आ गया तो अच्छे के लिए हो रहा है.
अच्छे के लिए हो रहा है.
तो मेरे लिए अच्छा हो रहा है कि गांव के लिए हो रहा है?
सबके लिए अच्छा हो रहा है. आपके लिए, क्योंकि आपकी लाइफ आपकी है. आपकी लाइफ इनके कोई काम की नहीं है, इनके भी काम की नहीं है. आप भाई बहन है वो अलग बात है, मगर आपकी लाइफ आपकी खुद की है. तो आपके लिए ही हो रहा है, अच्छा हो रहा है. क्योंकि अगर कोई आपको सिखाना चाहता है तो आपको सिखाना चाहता है. आप सामने वाले को, यू डू नॉट हैव एनी स्ट्रेंथ टू चेंज एनीबडी, because you have own strength to change yourself. Because if you try to change somebody else, you're going to again drain out. Like suppose if you're driving a car in a crowded lane, and it's completely jammed, no cars are moving ahead. At that time you have only control on your car. You cannot control any car which is ahead of you, which is not moving. And if you try to control that car, there is a catch, because you do not know which car to control. One, which one to control? Now everybody can come out and they check out, and everybody gets organized and they control their own car and they make a way out. So you have a control on your steering only. So how you use your car? What is willpower?